Tape measures. It's a tool we use a lot. First place I would say goes to the pencil. Second place is definitely tape measures. And my go-tos have always been self-locking tape measures. I've had Power Max tape measures for quite a long time. They actually have replaced all of the existing tape measures I used to have in the shop. The bright color is easy to find, and self-locking tape measures are the future. Well, at least I hope they are. They stay when you pull them out. What a dream. Lufkin's tape measures have so much spring, I'm pretty sure it's what NASA uses to get space shuttles to outer space. They do make a very nice tape measure, but they don't have the auto lock feature. Yet! I found a few of these Komelon. I found a few of these Komelon brand ones at the Blue Guy's house and picked them up just to have an extra couple 25-footers. I've had them for a while, but they don't do the one thing that they are supposed to do. None of them, 0% of them, hold a measurement. I didn't test them at the store. I don't smack a hammer on the shelf to make sure it does the one and only job it needs to do correctly. But here we are a few months later with frustrating tools. A simple test to show you how not great they are is to pull the tape measure to 24 inches and rest it on its back and just watch how the tape measure retracts. Again, it should stay at 24 like the Performax tape measures do, but my collection of Camellia tapes all slowly creep back into their shells. Before they hit the bin, the "Stop Filling Up the Landfills" voice started singing its song, and I thought I'd try to disassemble and fix them. Last time I tried to take a tape measure apart, once the casing was removed, the coil broke free and it exploded, and it was junk after that. So these aren't actually too bad to repair. First, we're going to remove these screws holding in the clip and the two at the bottom of the case. Then lightly take off the back. Once the shell is removed, make sure that this doesn't start spinning out of control because it will untension your tape measure. You can pull it out a little bit to take this piece out. It just sits in this little groove. And this is the stopper that actually stops your tape measure from continuing when you pull it out. So you're going to remove this again. Make sure he doesn't go nowhere. Remove this piece here and bend this little metal spring so that it has more tension facing towards the front. If you bend it the other way, it doesn't give it as much strength. So bend it out so that it kind of springs against that. Once that is bent into place, just replace it onto that pin. And then get this guy pushed back in. Get this guy pushed back in. And then we're going to replace the little clippy part. And then just reassemble the back plate. And that is it, guys. Not too much over the top to get this guy fixed. And then she'll hold a measurement. And it will actually work. Voila! As described. Should have done that a long time ago. Guys, another cool feature of these tape measures is that they have 86 inches worth of information on the back for you, just to reference if you ever need to. Another cool life hack is pull the tape measure out about 8 feet, write your name on the bottom of it, and then that way people, if they take your tape measure, you can pull it out, show them that it's yours. That's what I do at work. If you found this video helpful or informative, definitely give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more woodworking content, tool content. It's kind of all over the place at this moment, but we'll dial it in. So thanks again, and have a good one. Go buy a self-locking tape measure. They're sweet.